Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can send crypto on Venmo. So let's dive in. Let's jump right into it. Start by launching your Venmo app and logging into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom menu and tap the Crypto tab. This is where you'll find your digital assets listed. From here, select the cryptocurrency you want to send, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another supported coin. After choosing your crypto, locate and tap the double arrow icon usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the transfer screen. Next, search for or select the person you want to send crypto to. On the following screen, type in the amount of crypto you want to send. Venmo will automatically show the equivalent value in dollars to help you review. Before you finalize anything, make sure to double-check the recipient's info, the amount, and any applicable fees. Once everything looks good, hit the Send button to complete the transaction. And just like that, your crypto is on its way. It's a straightforward process once you know where to tap.